Hashtag spring science experiments script. Scene 1 asterisk, 0 to 5 seconds. Asterisk visual description asterisk a young child in a lab coat holding a magnifying glass. The background shows colorful flowers and budding trees. Asterisk dialogue asterisk hey kids, welcome to our science fun. Asterisk engagement hook asterisk wonder at the new season. Asterisk timing asterisk 2 seconds. Scene 2 asterisk, 6 to 15 seconds. Asterisk visual description asterisk close-up of a child mixing baking soda in a cup with vinegar. Fizzy bubbles appear. Asterisk dialogue asterisk spring is here, and so are fun experiments. Asterisk educational value statement asterisk kids learn about chemical reactions through this simple experiment. Asterisk engagement hook asterisk curiosity at the bubbling reaction. Asterisk timing asterisk 5 seconds. Scene 3 asterisk, 16 to 25 seconds. Asterisk visual description asterisk a child planting a small seed in a pot with soil, covered by a clear plastic cup. Asterisk dialogue asterisk let's plant a tiny seed and watch it grow. Asterisk engagement hook asterisk imagination of growth and change. Asterisk timing asterisk 5 seconds. Scene 4 asterisk, 26 to 30 seconds. Asterisk visual description asterisk a time-lapse video shows the seed sprouting into a small plant over 3 days. Asterisk dialogue asterisk see, it's growing magic. Asterisk engagement hook asterisk joy of seeing growth happen fast. Asterisk timing asterisk 5 seconds. Scene 5 asterisk, 31 to 40 seconds. Asterisk visual description asterisk a child blowing on water droplets that have frozen to a mirror or window pane. Ice crystal patterns appear. Asterisk dialogue asterisk we can make pretty ice crystals, too. Asterisk engagement hook asterisk wonder at the beauty of nature's art. Asterisk timing asterisk 5 seconds. Scene 6 asterisk, 41 to 50 seconds. Asterisk visual description asterisk a child using a clear plastic cup to catch raindrops and measure them with a ruler. Asterisk dialogue asterisk let's measure our spring rain. Asterisk engagement hook asterisk curiosity about measurement and observation. Asterisk timing asterisk 5 seconds. Scene 7 asterisk, 51 to 60 seconds. Asterisk visual description asterisk a child using a hand-powered fan to create a wind-powered pinwheel. Asterisk dialogue asterisk see how the wind can make our pinwheel spin. Asterisk engagement hook asterisk excitement about playing with natural forces. Asterisk timing asterisk 5 seconds. Scene 8 asterisk, 61 to 70 seconds. Asterisk visual description asterisk a child observing a caterpillar on a leaf, then drawing it in a sketchbook. Asterisk dialogue asterisk let's draw our favorite spring creature. Asterisk engagement hook asterisk creativity and appreciation for nature. Asterisk timing asterisk 5 seconds. Scene 9 asterisk, 71 to 80 seconds. Asterisk visual description asterisk a child arranging colored paper and creating a collage of spring flowers and animals. Asterisk dialogue asterisk now, let's make our very own spring picture. Asterisk engagement hook asterisk joy in crafting and artistry. Asterisk timing asterisk 5 seconds. Scene 10 asterisk, 81 to 90 seconds. Asterisk visual description asterisk a child using a magnifying glass to observe different insects and plants outdoors. Asterisk dialogue asterisk let's go outside and explore our spring world. Asterisk engagement hook asterisk excitement about nature exploration. Asterisk timing asterisk 5 seconds. Scene 11 asterisk, 91 to 100 seconds. Asterisk visual description asterisk a child holding a book titled Spring Science Experiments with the cover showing various experiments done in previous scenes. Asterisk dialogue asterisk now you know so much about spring science. What experiment will you try first? Asterisk engagement hook asterisk curiosity building cliffhanger for future experiments. Asterisk timing asterisk 5 seconds. Scene 12 asterisk, 101 to 120 seconds. Asterisk visual description asterisk a child and camera host laughing together with the book open to a fun spring experiment page. Asterisk dialogue asterisk thanks for joining us, keep exploring and learning. Asterisk engagement hook asterisk encouragement and positivity towards further exploration. Asterisk timing asterisk 5 seconds. Educational value statement asterisk. This script teaches children about various spring science experiments in an engaging and interactive way, fostering curiosity and a love for nature and science.